Make a great choice today with the 2020 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, lane departure warning, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.